This PictoColor tutorial will guide you through the process of installing iCorrect plugins in PaintShop Pro. While I will use iCorrect Portrait PSP plugin in this video, the process is the same for iCorrect One-Click and iCorrect EditLab PSP. I downloaded the iCorrect Portrait plugin installer zip file to the desktop for convenience. So the first thing we need to do is extract the zip file. We'll right click, extract all. You notice that there are two files that were downloaded. One is a PDF file which describes the installation process in detail. You can print that out and follow it, or just continue with the video. The next file is the actual installer. Do a right click and you'll want to run as administrator, particularly if you're running Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Vista, and follow the instructions. Accept the license. Please note that the iCorrect plugins are licensed for a single computer. And note where the files are going to go. They're going to go in your program file, which is on your C drive, the x86, which is the 32-bit files, and under a PictoColor folder, and under iCorrect EditLab Portrait 1.5.1. Go next. And it will automatically, you can ignore this message for PaintShop Pro. This applies only to Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. If you'd like to register the software, click yes. In this case, we'll do no. And exit out of here. I suggest you then look where it is. Open your, click on your My Computer, go to the C drive, and go to Program Files. Now, Program Files, if you have a 64-bit, you'll have two program file folders. The one with the 32-bit is labeled a x86. Double click on it, look for the PictoColor folder, and then look for iCorrect Portrait 1.5 plugin. Note that I have a few other plugins installed here. And in that folder you'll find there's the user guides, there's the actual plugin file, it's a .8bf file, user guide, and some register, and there's a sample image. We'll exit out of there. The next step in the process is to install the plugin in PaintShop Pro. With PaintShop Pro open and in the edit mode, click on the file in the top menu, go down to Preferences, and select the file locations. Select Plugins on the file types on the left. Enable Plugins, make sure that box is checked. And I would also check the next one, which is limit the plugins to those with the .8b extension. In our case, it's a .8bf. And click on Add. Go to the C drive, Program Files, x86 if you have a 64-bit machine. Pick the color folder, and then select iCorrect Portrait plugin. Click OK. And then click OK again. Now to activate iCorrect Portrait, go to the Effects on the top menu, down to Plugins, PictoColor, and then select iCorrect Portrait. The first time that the plugin will open, it will ask you for a serial number. Since I've already had it installed on my machine, the serial number is in the registry, so it ignored that step. A few simple clicks, we have color corrected this image. That's all that's to installing a plugin in PaintShop Pro. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we trust that the installation of your iCorrect plugin goes smoothly. If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. For more information on PictoColor's best shortcuts to perfect color for PaintShop Pro, go to our website, www.pictocolor.com.